Oh, hi there, everyone. Welcome to the last Delta Math walkthrough of our course, probably. And we are looking at Kayla, who wants to buy a car, and we want to know the maximum value of a car that she can afford. The thing is, the value that you can afford to borrow is right there. It's inside the equation. So we do want to reorganize this equation before we throw it into Desmos and figure that out. The way they've written this down is just fine. N is the number of compounding periods. Again, I did something a little different myself, but whatever. We can do things differently. That's fine. Still works. So I would write it out, and you're going to write it out, and you're going to follow along. The monthly payment is equal to the amount borrowed multiplied by the interest rate per month. They're using R, so I'm going to use R. No, I use I. I use little I when it's interest per compounding period. I'm not going to change my ways. Okay, and then this is 1 minus bracket 1 plus, they use R, I use I. I use R for annual interest rate. Okay, and then this is all raised to the minus n, the number of compounding periods as a negative exponent. Okay, let's reorganize this to isolate for P. First thing I'm going to do is multiply both sides by the reciprocal. What do you mean, Mr. Jennings? Well, I mean, let's just go big here, and we'll use our inverse operations pen. I'm going to multiply both sides by I on the bottom, so it's going to cancel that. And I'm going to multiply the top by 1 minus 1 plus I to the negative n. So that there is going to cancel that. And then I just need to multiply that on the same side, on the other side. 1 minus 1 plus I to the negative n multiplied by the monthly payment over I is equal to P. And then rewrite, for the sake of mathematical aesthetic formula beauty, P is equal to M multiplied by 1 minus 1 plus I to the negative n all over I. Cool. Okay, and I'm sure I have that formula in here somewhere. Yeah, it's that one there. Same thing. So you could just have used that formula that I gave you with R over C to calculate for I and CT to calculate for N. Same. So let's go for it. Let's pump that into Desmos, because that's going to be our machine that, oh, look, we already had a formula there. I can go ahead and, oh yeah, it doesn't like it when I copy that way. I'm going to copy all that. I'm going to cut that out. I'm going to multiply M by it. Whoop, and the bracket. And then I'm going to divide it by I. There. And now it has been reorganized. Okay. And then that's P, the amount borrowed. Principal borrowed is equal to that. And yes, I would like an M. So I have M equals, and I don't need P equals anymore. So we have M, I, and N. Now, let's go ahead and get our values from the problem. So, Kayla, she's qualified for an 8-year loan, but she's going to pay that back monthly. How many months is 8 times 12? How are your times tables, everyone? The N is 84. It's not 80, it's 96. Sheesh, 84 would be 7 years. No, it's 8 years. My goodness. Okay, annual interest rate of 4.5. So let's just calculate that. 4.5% divided by 12 months is equal to 0.375. There. And M is the monthly payment. The maximum she can afford is $275. So let's put that in there. Oh, she can afford a car that's $22,135.94 to the nearest dollar. So 22136. Do a new one. Put the stuff in. 7-year loan. Okay, finally get to use that number 84 that I've been just dying to use since I made a mistake last time. Annual interest rate of 3.9. So 3.9 divided by 12. is 0.325. There we go, 325. And the maximum he can afford per month is 300. I bet he gets a more expensive car. Oh, no, less expensive by just a hair. 22022. Fun. Fun number. Oh, and they had the funky formula there. It doesn't matter what formula they ask for. The answer is the same. Hooray! So, if you're not having as much joy and merriment at Desmos's ability to just feed you answers, send me an email and we'll try and figure it out. Screenshots are very helpful of either the problem you're working on in Delta Math or what you're doing to Desmos, and I can help you out. Okay. Bye, everyone. Thank you for showing up for your learning consistently over the semester. The code word. Email me this code word, and the code word is lanyard. Email me the code word or reply lanyard in the comments if you're crazy. And yeah, I will send you a virtual high five. Bye for now, everyone.